I promise to share my story to promote the use of naloxone.
I promise to dispense as much naloxone in the community because it means a lot to me to make sure our service users are safe.
I promise to carry on carrying naloxone and delivering the training for as long as I can.
I promise to keep up my CPR all the time and get as many people involved there as I possibly can.
I think in the past few years in Wales, what we've seen is that there hasn't been an increase in deaths from drug-related deaths. But sadly, in the last year, like the rest of the UK, we saw an increase in the number of people who died as a result of drugs overdose. I think now that has actually shaken us up a bit. It's actually made us sit up and realise that we've got to do something, be a bit more proactive, educate people, make people aware of the risks, how to reduce the risks, and not just about service users, but people who actually come into contact with drug users on a daily basis. Make sure that they've got the ammunition, if you like, on how to deal with the issues, how to work and engage with service users, and in particular be pushing naloxone, because obviously we know that naloxone actually does save lives.
I mean, what we're seeing at the moment is that we're very good at accessing the people we see on a daily basis. So people coming in, accessing services, whether it be the drop-in, needle exchange, anyone that comes through these doors, they're being offered a kit, they're being offered the training, the overdose prevention advice, they're getting all that. What we're not quite doing at the moment is reaching people not accessing services, and that's where I think we need to be looking in the future, is getting people not currently involved with us aware of it. I think it needs to be a national awareness. Everyone knows what to do if you see someone who's having a stroke. They know the FAST campaign, that's widely available to get that information. Why isn't overdose information as widely available?
IP2 campaign is something that Drugaid Cymru developed this year. It's a campaign that aims to raise awareness regarding drug-related deaths and overdose, and it tries to get people to make pledges to take action, to do something. It's as a result of the increases in deaths in Wales and across the UK recently, and it seeks to get professionals and service users to take steps to try and address it. And that can be just to increase their awareness of the risks, how to reduce the risks, but particularly encourages people to engage with the naloxone scheme in Wales, to actually do the training regarding naloxone and to carry their kits regarding naloxone.
What I'd like to see from the new campaign is more general awareness, but also more specifically is more outreach with pharmacies. So a recent Public Health Wales survey found that 60% of injecting drug users are not accessing specialist services. So that means that 60% of injecting drug users who are not accessing dry blood spot testing, they're not accessing naloxone, and I think this needs to change.
I promise to champion the use of naloxone and to educate people on its use.
I promise to keep pushing naloxone as much as I possibly can and keep training as many people as I possibly can.
I promise to always carry naloxone on a mobile phone and never take on your own.
I promise to engage with pharmacies and really push promoting naloxone. So all those people that at the moment aren't aware of naloxone or where to get it, now know where to come and get a kit.
I promise to make sure that prenoxid and naloxone is available to all DDAS staff and DDAS service users.
I gael perthynas gwell gyda'r cleients gan mynd allan I siarad I nhw a siarad amdano naloxone.
I promise to make sure all staff and volunteers are trained in overdose awareness and naloxone.
I promise to make sure that the awareness regarding overdose and the promotion of naloxone is a priority for Drugaid Cymru.